What's up guys, it's Mike here. Today I want to show you how to create really cool logo design using image from Google. It's so simple method. You don't need to know how to draw, you don't need to know anything about drawing. Just sit down, copy image and start designing logo in Illustrator. Very simple, very beginner friendly logo design. Few tips at the beginning before you start anything. So at the beginning, start looking for really simple images, really simple animals with really simple shapes, not something complex. It will be much easier for you at the beginning to create logo design you want. And it will be much better, it will look much more professional. So I will speed up some of the design process to short the video because I don't want to make something long and boring. So come on, let's do this. Okay, I found the image. It's a frog, and the first thing you need to do is creating a new layer by hitting new layer button. I created one previously, so I use this one. Place your image, and we need to lock image to make it easier to trace our frog. So hit lock button here, and now we will retrace a frog with simple line and with pen tool. Just it. As you see, the green line is not easily visible, so to make it much easier, change the line color to pink, for example. And it's not too good, or blue. It's much easier to see. And now let's go further with our lines. Okay, I choose the circle here to make an eye of the frog, and now copy the circle and paste it with Command or Control F. Resize it down. Have an eye. And let's go further with lines. We don't need to worry about every detail of a frog, like here or here. Just skip it, make the most recognizable. You don't need to worry about some of the lines, just skip them. It just need to be easy to recognize as a frog. We'll see in a moment what I am talking about. Okay, I've retraced the frog with simple lines, and after you hide layer of image, you will see just a frog. There are a couple of problems with this image, like lines here and here and here. It's too complex for me. Resize it a little, make an eye. Copy white color, and that's it for beginning. It looks okay. Now I want to simplify the shape. Let's make another line here and connect it with line below. Make much simple shape, and now you can delete the line you create previously of the throat of the frog. Okay, we have much simpler line, as you see, here and here. And I want to do the same below with leg of the. Okay, we got it. And another thing I want to do is connecting some shapes to make the frog even simpler. Okay, now let's work with color. Hit the pen tool again and retrace our frog once again. Okay, now we get some background for our frog. To change the color, select a whole shape and choose the color you want to have for your frog. For me it's green, for sure. Now we need to change the stroke color for the same as a frog skin. Okay, as you see, we've lost a lot of details here, but you don't need to worry about anything. And now we can work with those details easily. To see where are your shapes, press Command and Y. And now you see here is your part of leg and another part of leg is here. To make it visible, we need to change the belly skin color for something lighter green, for example. Okay, now we have a belly, now we have other color and it's more visible, but still not so good. So let's work with the part of the leg here. Okay, and now we have a whole leg and it looks quite nice. I want to work a little with eye, so hit select the eye, Command C, Command F, and scale it down a little and place it here. If the video was good and you liked it, hit subscribe button and don't forget to leave a comment as well. Thank you for watching and see you soon.